All right, guys, I've been a bit busy on the channel lately getting content ready for you guys, but about 2 months ago, I picked up this cart for $2.50 off an auction that my cousin's grandparents hosted, and I ended up not filming it. I already primed it and got some paint on it, and I ended up getting these wheels with it. And I found these wheels in my shop. And I was like, well, I think I was just going to put the off-road wheels on, and that's eventually what I did. So I'm going to time-lapse me painting it for you guys so you can see progress. All right, guys, quick update. I have this sidewall done, the back wall, this other sidewall done, and then I have that front wall to go, and then the whole outside except for this top part because I need to sand this for tomorrow and spray paint the handle and throw the wheels on. And all my parts are right here, but I should get all the painting done tonight besides this stuff, and should be ready to go. All right, so guys, I just got all 4 sides done and the bottom, so I'm gonna skip doing the outside and just do this. All right, guys, so I got all the sides painted, interior and exterior, but now all I have left to do is to let the outside and inside dry so I can sand down the frame a little bit more, paint the frame, and then I need to spray paint the hitch. Let me guys know what you think. I'm thinking black, but let me guys know in the comment section below. I'm going these white, Oliver white tires with kind of an off-road look to them instead of those. And I have to call it a night because I have church tomorrow. So, see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, day number 2. This is how the wagon is looking. It's somewhat still glossy, still a little bit sticky, but it should be good. Just got to sand up the edges, so I'm going to time-lapse that for you guys so you can see. All right, guys, just got all the 4 corners sanded and should be ready for the coat of paint. All right, guys, just got the whole frame done on the wagon. Now all we have to do is do the finishing coat with our roller and then throw on the wheels. It should be good. Alright guys, coat 2 is done. I think I want to do a coat 3 because it's not really how I wanted it to turn out. It's still kind of like just choppy. So I think I'm going to do a coat 3, but we got to let that dry. So I'm going to check in when I start coat 3. Alright guys, it's been about an hour. I'm going to apply coat number 3. And then after that, I'm going to let that dry. And then we're going to throw in the wheels and get it all put back together and should be ready to go. All right, guys, third coat is now done. It's looking a lot better, a lot glossier. And now we just have to let it dry so we can throw on the tires, and then she should be ready to be pulled around. All right, guys, so unfortunately we were not able to take out the wagon for this video. The reason is because the wood underneath needs to be sanded and painted, and if it wouldn't have been, it would have rotted out, and we don't want it to rot out because I want a lot of content to come out of that wagon. So stay tuned for that, and I have an epic idea coming in the next video. So stay tuned, subscribe. Thanks for watching.